well, let me put it differently. These are all the signs that were presented in the book in chapter 2. Hopefully, we have learned most of these signs, if not all of the signs. So, there you go.
No,
These up being, I guess, around almost 90 signs there. Across 2 pages. Likewise, in chapter 1, I did the very same thing. In chapter 1, we had about 75 signs. Chapter 1 review folder, a list of signs. Chapter 2 review folder, list of signs. Likewise, in the chapter 1 review folder, I had these categories, things you should know. Well, we had done cardinal numbers. We've gone 1 to 19 or so, 1 to 20. There was a couple pages on what and where Gallaudet University is. You might need to know something off of that little 2-page description. We had a section on language backgrounds and the transitions. Grew up, me spoke English. High school, me learned French, 2 years. College, learned ASL, kinda hard. You know, we did this. So this is outlines talking about leisure activities. Now I'm in the chapter 2 review, leisure activities. We learned about
Bowling.
we learned about
Photography, picture taking,
we learned about
Painting.
writing, painting.
painting in particular. As well. Okay, well, look on the vocabulary list for chapter 2, which is this list. Yeah, chapter 2. Let's see here. We learned about, now it's in alphabetical order, so it isn't all together. But if you take the DVD from the book and you drop it in, and then you go to the vocabulary section of the DVD, it does every word, page by page, right out of the vocabulary section in your book. It's a good way to review. All right, so just so you know, you can find under the Lessons tab, come back to life here, Unit 1, there's a review folder. I would practice the stuff in there. Likewise, in Unit 2, there's a review folder. I would practice the stuff in there. And since we have everybody's attention for the moment, here are some upcoming activities or contents of. George handed in the summary sheet for having done the library class, and I hear some of you others have done that as well. This is just a quick reminder, and this is posted on Angel as well. Tutoring right over here in the SA building every Wednesday for a pretty good chunk of time. Largo Library class, they're having, our next one in Largo is there, and then they're there. They're doing them every 2 weeks. But the Pinellas Park Library, it's every single Tuesday at 6 o'clock and 7.
Thursday.
That's just what I
Yeah. I mean, I just requested time off for Thursday. Not
said. Well,
Tuesdays.
I don't know. Let's see here.
All right, yay.
There is a little workshop that's going to be put on tomorrow night at the Clearwater campus. It's in the ASL lab room, LA 108, on story time. Black History Celebration at the Deaf Literacy Center, Safety Harbor Public Library at the end of the month. And Deaf Bowling is available on Saturday, the 8th of March, the afternoon at the Dunning Lane. You can get, so, don't let this contact hour thing get too far ahead of you.
Tomorrow is also the 3rd Tuesday, so I think they have the thing at Tyrone Mall.
Ah, that is correct.
Mhm.
3rd Tuesday, Tyrone Mall, right down the street from us. Usually 6:30. Maybe it's actually 6 to 9, I think. 6 to 9. So that's convenient for us, most of us close by. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I would certainly encourage you to go to that. And those are predominantly deaf people that are called late deafened adults. They grew up hearing and they learned sign language because they went deaf. That's different than growing up deaf.
Okay,